Let's see how much weight this 3D printed pulley system could hold, starting with 50 pounds. All right, 75 pounds. It's 100 pounds. This is by far the most I've put on it. All right, we're still moving. 120 out of 25 plates, so those are 10s on there. So this thing doesn't smack me in my face. Oh, something broke. Alright, so I pulled the pulley apart and found that the steel rod had bent and one of the bearings had broke apart. Subscribe to see me build this with stronger bearings and hardware, and check out the linked video to see how the system was made so far.